Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Tag Manager for consent-aware UI analytics detailed guide step by step clearly. First, access your Google Tag Manager account by navigating to the GTM website and signing in with your Google credentials. Select the container you want to work with, which corresponds to the website or app you are managing. In the left sidebar, click on Tags to view the existing tags in your container. To create a new tag, click on the New button located at the upper right corner. You will be prompted to name your tag. Choose a descriptive name that indicates its purpose. Next, click on the Tag Configuration area to choose the tag type. For consent-aware analytics, select the Google Analytics Universal Analytics option. In the configuration settings, set the track type to Page View. Under Google Analytics settings, select or create a new variable that includes your tracking ID. Scroll down to the Advanced Settings section and expand it. Within the Advanced Settings, check the option for Enable Consent Overview. Next, scroll. Here, you will establish the consent types that you need to track, such as analytics or marketing. For each consent type, configure whether it is included or excluded based on user consent. After configuring your consent types, click on Triggering to define when this tag should fire. Choose the appropriate trigger based on user interaction or specific page views that align with your consent strategy. Once you have selected your trigger, review all configurations to ensure accuracy. Click the Save button to finalize your new tag. Next, go to the Variables section in the left sidebar. In this section, create any necessary variables that will help manage user consent. Make sure to include variables that signify the user's consent status. After setting up your variables, return to the Tags section. You will want to test your newly created tag, so click on the Preview button. This will enable the preview mode, allowing you to see how tags fire in real time on your website. Visit your website in the same browser where you have preview mode active to see the GTM debug panel. Check the debug panel to confirm that your consent-aware tag is firing as expected. If the tag is not firing, revisit your trigger settings or variable configurations to troubleshoot issues. Once satisfied with the testing, exit preview mode. Go back to your Google Tag Manager dashboard and click on the Submit button to publish your changes. Provide a meaningful version name and description for this change to keep track of updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.